Good morning, everybody. It's October 20th in cold 50-degree Pennsylvania, USA weather. And I thought this is a good example to show you why I switched to SUPERthrive for my passion flower plants. So here we have a beautiful red passion that was a gift from Florida, and it only had 7 dried out leaves on it when I got it. So all the new growth that you see, like these buds coming up in the background. I have another whole vine over here with a bud, and front and center to show you before and after SUPERthrive. It gives you these beautiful, healthy leaves. Look at that. And one gorgeous bud. And yes, this is a fish aquarium because it's very windy. And I do put my passions in here at night because it's getting down to like 37 degrees. Then I bring them out in the sunshine. If the sun ever shines in Pennsylvania, it will be a miracle. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Everybody, God bless. Take care.